Hey guys, so this is my first ever video on YouTube, so if you enjoy the video, please like and subscribe. Today I shall be doing my kind of makeup routine-ish, hair routine, kind of just what I do in the morning, take away all the toothbrush and stuff. So I'm going for like a natural look, which is what I prefer and I think what you're allowed for school. I don't know what everyone else says. So to start off with, I have this
simple moisturizer,
which I really like using. I just put way too much on my hand and apply this everywhere to your face. Make sure you kind of distribute it evenly. So this is gonna make your face look really nice and blends it a bit. Now I'm going to go ahead and if you haven't noticed, I have a bit of a cold, which obviously is not helpful at all. But I have this Body Shop Drops of Youth. So this just, again, is kind of playing the same role as the moisturizer, but it's just gonna make your skin look really nice. And this is like really expensive, so I can't use too much and I don't. Alright, so now that that is on my face, I'm gonna again rub this in. Okay, now I'm going to use, this is quite messed up because I've got to take a bit more care of my makeup, but this is a primer which I'm just going to be putting under my eyes and a bit over here. Because I'm just going to have to use my hands for everything. I'm sorry for this, guys. Lighten your skin and make it look really nice. Go ahead and go right into my eyebrows. I have this pretty little thing. I've completely messed up, so I'm not even going to show you the insides. But I'm going to go ahead and apply this to my eyebrows. There are several different tones right in there. So I'm gonna go. I try to make my eyebrows look quite natural, so not really like filled in and lined. And then I just go ahead with my primer and put that right underneath, just give it a... Okay, so this is kind of just define them a bit more. Sorry also for the lighting because I know it's really bad, but it's quite late at day and I wasn't. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my mascara, which I got from Boots. So this is volume mascara, the thick of it. It's really cheap as well. It's already quite long, so it doesn't really make much of an effect. I don't even know if anyone's gonna see this video. Now I'm gonna go ahead get my highlighter. So I've got this really nice Committed palette by Makeup Obsession, which I also again got from Boots, which I'm just gonna kind of apply. It's got 4 different, you can see which ones I use the most. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this pink one, Wholehearted, and go in on my nose and kind of just around my eyes. Make sure it's fully one, which I'm literally just gonna put in here to give it a kind of extra shiny look. That literally the tiniest thing affects it. So I have this MAC lipstick, which is really matte as well. But just to kind of really quickly use, just to kind of define them a bit more. Lip gloss, which I'm just gonna go over the top. There we go. Now that I am finished with my makeup, I'm gonna go ahead and use this spray that I got from Claire's setting spray, just to go ahead. And we're just gonna go ahead and start with my hair. Every morning I tend to wash my hair. You shouldn't do it too much, but every other day maybe. And I got this dry shampoo, this Colab dry shampoo, which smells so good. I'm just gonna spray that over your head. you can go ahead and get some hairbands and you can do your hair, which is what I'm going to show you guys right now, but I need to get some hairbands. So I just went to get some hairbands. Okay, so to do a messy bun. Also, if you're wondering what this stain is, it's chocolate.
I'm sorry I had a Magnum.
I feel like I look really different with my hair up. Can you tell if I have it? Alright, so we're gonna go ahead. That's just a ponytail. I guess you can leave it like this as well, but I look a bit weird. Go ahead and you can either get a scrunchie, you can really do anything for this. I'm gonna go ahead and back comb this really quickly.
Make it a bit more messy.
Right, so there we go. Now that it's all puffy and messy, you just go ahead and gather that in a bun kind of thing. And then I like to just get 2 bits at the side. And this is literally a really basic messy bun. But there you go. But alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and do the messy bun look, but this is with 2 kind of bunchies. I feel like I'm kind of turning this into a hairstyle video, but it won't be like this the whole time, guys, because it's probably suiting now. I mean, I snapped my hair down, that's really fun. But so this is quite loose, but I'm only going to do it briefly up. So I am using my scrunchies now instead because you cannot find a normal hairband anywhere. So bear in mind, this is probably look better with just normal hairbands, not these ones. Because these are kind of scrunchies, and scrunchies just, yeah. Okay, this is not the look I was planning for at all. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please give it a like and subscribe down below if you want to see more of these videos. And since this is my first video, give me any video suggestions that you want me to try and do, or literally anything. I can do a room tour next. I do not mind. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Bye!